Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome planet logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First we have to create a circle and hold down shift key and click on red color to apply a outline for this object. Now go to path and convert it to path. Now edit by node edit tool and select only these two nodes and click on break apart. Now go to path and click on break apart. Now this is two object. Enable the snapping option from corner and snap these two objects like this and select the both and duplicate it. After duplicating, snap it like this. Now select all these and go to path and combine these. Now select this node and join this. Select these and click on join node. Select this and click on join node. Now duplicate this object and adjust like this. Now use node edit tool to modify this object. Disable the snapping option, modify it like this. Snap these two nodes, snap this node with this node. Now select the both, go to path and again click on combine. Now select only this node and join this node. Select these and join these. Now we can change the color. Hold down shift key and click on none color to remove the outline. Now create a circle again and change the color. Adjust to the center. Now send it to back. Adjust this object like this. Now we have to use node edit tool to edit or modify this object. First apply some transparency for this object so we can see our object. Use node edit tool and enable the snapping option from the corner. Modify this object like this. Modify it. We have to snap the node with circle like this. Select these two nodes and adjust like this. Select these two and adjust it like this. Modify these nodes. modify it. I think this is okay. Select all these and click on fracture option. Now carefully select these two objects, go to path and click on union. Now select this one and this one, go to path and click on union. Now select these two objects, go to path and click on union. Now select these three objects, go to path and click on union. Now carefully select these objects and this, go to path and click on union. So guys, we have created our shape. Select these three and combine them. So guys, we have created our logo and I know you can make better than me. Please try it with your own color combination, and please guys, please support me to more video. Thank you. Please guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.